You can't get enough knowledge by just watching mere YouTube videos.
Definitely eye-opener, learning the business aspect with the price points and how to talk to customers, how to sell.
It wasn't just a matter of just doing a better job. It all flows from one thing to the next so that we can be more efficient.
My name is Fidelis. I'm originally from Nigeria, but I reside in Los Angeles, California. There's a lot of competition out there, and you want to get yourself equipped, both in terms of product, in terms of equipment, and the most important of it all is getting the knowledge.
So my name's Aaron Hale. I'm from Orlando, Florida. Came out here to get some extra training on the ceramic coating.
My name's Rendon, and I'm from Enterprise, Alabama. The main reason why I'm here is I just wanted to get some more hands-on tips and tricks to reconditioning a vehicle.
My name is Dan Wheeler. I'm from Kansas City. I initially came here for wrap and tint and PPF. I'm here to learn how to do car detailing.
I was looking at different classes and other seminars. For 2 days, I think it was like $1,400. I just knew I wasn't gonna get exactly what I wanted out of it. And then I found y'all's class online, and I seen it was 5 days, and it showed doing the interior, exterior, ceramic coating, more hands-on.
There are a lot of detailers out there, and you want something to stand you out. You can't get enough knowledge by just watching mere YouTube videos. Coming here gives you the opportunity to do that hands-on training.
I didn't feel rushed. Being able to be walked through the steps the way we were, showing everything very clearly, understandable for everybody, was amazing.
Definitely eye-opener, learning the business aspect with the price points and how to talk to customers, how to sell.
You know, training you on how to market yourself, how to market the product, how to improve your business. And at the end of the day, it's all about, making you money and, putting yourself out there as the best.
It wasn't just a matter of just doing a better job. We have our little checklist, and we have an SOP so that we can be more efficient. And it all flows from one thing to the next.
With him showing us the times that we need to do on the times for vacuuming, how long we need to do the paint correction, timing us really helps me, because when I'm back home, I had no thinking about the timing. So I'd sit out there and take 5-6 hours on a car, which could have took me 2 hours.
I'm very grateful for coming across someone like Ruben, who has decades of experience in auto detailing.
What he's done in the industry that just shows what the sky's the limit for the rest of us.
With a small class, you're more one-on-one, not 20 people out here. You have to explain. He can come through and help you. If you're doing something wrong, he can show you.
Everybody has ample time and opportunities to ask whatever questions they want to ask, and they get answered.
We were able to work together better as a team, of understanding each other, getting to learn who each other are, where we come from, and what we're all here for. Definitely that made it nicer than a large class.
A bunch of knowledge on the ceramic coating part, and just with the training aspect was great, and because I had no clue before anything. I watched some YouTube videos, but you can't be a YouTube professional. You got to come out here and do it hands-on and actually learn how to do it.
I'm so excited, knowing fully well I'm going to walk out of this building as a certified auto reconditioner.
So I'm Aaron Hale from Orlando, Florida. Well, knowing that I got this certification, actually good training, right when I get home, I'm going to start.
My name is Dan Wheeler, and I'm from Kansas City, and it's VIP Customs.
Once again, my name's Rendon. I'm from Enterprise, Alabama. My business name is going to be Eagle Eye Mobile Detailing.
My name is Fidelis. I'm from Nigeria, but I reside here in California, Los Angeles. Coming to this class, spending these 5 days in this class, I would say I'm very, very happy. And to you all out there, contemplating, how to get into this business, if you want to be successful out there as a detailer, rightlook.com is the right place to be, because you will leave this class as a full packaged detailer. You have everything. You're just going to be like a do-it-all kind of a detailer. Try to hit them up. Right? Look.com is the right place to be.